Hi guys, Vince here from Azurius Computer Repairs. Just a very short video here on a laptop fan that was pretty much seized up. Well, not seized, but very won't turn with the current from the laptop anyway. So what I've done, I just realised I should have made a video about this earlier. So I'll just show you what I did under the microscope. So here it is. If you can see this side here, there's no way to get any lubrication inside it, but this side, you can see there it turns on the spindle. I've already given this one go already and I'm really happy with the result, and you can actually see it's a little bit loose there, but it shouldn't bother it. So what I did, I get some of this secret substance. Just put a little dab on there. Alright, now to get it in the hole, I've just got my hot air set at 120 air, 100C, and I just melt it in there. Just like this. And she came nice and loose. I thought somebody else might be able to use this little technique. And I guess too, I think you'd have to be more careful though. You could actually put a dry soldering iron on the spindle there to heat up the spindle as well, but as long as it's not too hot, and this fan should be repaired very nicely. So that plastic's pretty resilient there, not causing any major problems. And pretty much, if I can see that correctly, the more I spin it I can see little bits of debris coming up out of there as I spin it. I wonder if I can see that. Oh, just getting out of the picture there. So you can see that debris there. Let me see if I can get it closer. It seems to, I can see it with the it's really hard for you guys to see, isn't it? Let's try a bit of polarization. Not helping. Anyway, good little trick. Working pretty good now. Anyway, hopefully that will help you guys out if you get in the same sort of situation. And yeah, let's give that a bit of a clean up. I'll give that a bit more of a clean up with the isopropyl, and that fan should run for a lot longer. Anyway, just another little tip there. We'll see you next time. Thanks guys, see ya.